Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 6th April 2026. Despite an overall slowdown in entry-level ITeS hiring, the class of 2026 at several of the country's private engineering colleges is seeing a better than expected placement season with more offers than last year. TCS and Infosys have recruited in good numbers, but mostly for AI roles where students will be deployed after initial training. The Reserve Bank of India is expected to hold interest rates steady at its upcoming meeting. Global conflicts are creating significant economic uncertainty. Rising imported inflation and potential domestic price pressures are key concerns. The central bank will likely focus on managing liquidity and market stability. This cautious approach aims to navigate geopolitical risks and currency volatility. India's gold imports saw a significant rise of 28.73%, reaching $69 billion in the first 11 months of fiscal 2025-26. This surge, attributed to elevated gold prices, has contributed to a wider trade deficit. Switzerland remains the primary source for these imports. The increased gold imports also impact the country's current account deficit. FMCG companies like Marico and Dabur saw strong revenue growth in the March quarter. Domestic consumption remained steady, boosting sales. International business also performed well, except in the Middle East due to geopolitical issues. Companies expect better margins as input costs ease. They anticipate continued domestic demand recovery in the coming quarters. China's ongoing economic slowdown is leaving a growing number of workers grappling with shrinking incomes, limited job prospects, and rising uncertainty about the future. Across both major cities and smaller regions, people describe a downturn marked by layoffs, business closures, and weakening private enterprise activity. Spending cuts have impacted routine administrative functions, while infrastructure projects remain stalled. Small businesses are also under pressure, with shuttered shops and delayed factory reopenings becoming more common. The Indian TV market is experiencing rising costs and a potential dip in sales. Manufacturers are seeing consumers opt for smaller screen sizes. While attractive financing options are helping, some buyers are also delaying purchases. A recovery is anticipated during the festive season. Premium segments are expected to remain resilient. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.